Let's go to page 599 and start with number 1. And so this one you have to use the information from oral exercise. So again, what you need to do is go and get your information together. So get your ABC, and you have small a, small b, small c. So that way you can visualize what you have. So angle A is 25 degrees, and angle B is 50 degrees, and small b is 30. Okay? So this one is one side, two angles. So one side, two angles, you have to use this formula. And the side you're giving is B, so you have to use the B version. So you have to use this one here. Okay? Okay. So let's go and write the formula first. So you need to use K equal to 1/2. And since you know the B, so you have to use the B square. And since you got B over here, you need to get sine B. On top, you need to get sine A, sine C, right? Because you got B here, so you need to have A and C up there. Now notice you don't have a C, so you have to get the angle C. And this one is easy to get because 3 angles have to equal to 180, so you just use 180 minus 25 minus 50 equal, so this will give you 105 degrees. Okay? So now you can just substitute all the numbers in. So small b is 30 times by sine of 25 degrees, sine of 105 degrees, and sine of 50 degrees. Okay? And then after that, just go ahead and put in all the numbers in. Okay, so you got 1/2 times by 30 square times by sine of 25 degrees times by sine of 105 degrees divided by sine of 50 degrees push equal, and this will give you 239.8. And so that's going to run it off to next to 3 digits. So this will run it up. Okay, so it'd be equal to 240. Okay. Okay, let's go to the next one. Okay, number 3, I can get your information together. Okay, so you got A equal to 6, C equal to 14, and angle B equal to 62 degrees. Okay, so this one is 2 sides and 1 angle, right? So you have to use 2 sides and 1 angle. And the angle you have is B, so you have to use the one with the angle B. So you have to use this one here. Okay? Okay, so let's go and write down the formula that you need to use. So K equal to 1/2 AC sine of B. Okay? Then you substitute everything in there. So you get 1/2 AC sine of 62 degrees. So K equal to, so punching all the numbers. So again, 1/2 times by 6 times by 14 times by sine of 62 degrees equal. So you get 37.0837, and you want to run it off to, let me see the instructions, to the nearest tenth of a degree or 3 significant digits. Okay, so run this up, so K equal to 37.1. Okay. Okay, let's go to the next one. Okay, number 5. Okay, so you can get your information ready. It helps you to visualize what you have, so you know what to use. Okay, so small a equal to 12, small b equal to a, small c equal to 12 again. Okay, so this is when you have 3 sides, right? So 3 sides, 0 angle. So you have to use Hero's formula. Okay, so let's go and write the formula. So K equal to square root of S minus A, S minus B, S minus C, and S minus D. But since D equal to 0, so it will be just S. Okay? Again, I like to memorize this way because this is easier to memorize. Okay, so let's find S. So S equal to 1/2 of the perimeter, so it would be 12 plus 8 plus 12. Okay? So again, S is a semi-perimeter, so it's half of the perimeter. So let's go and figure it out. Okay, so I'm going to have 12 plus 8 plus 12 push equal, so that's equal to 32 times by 1/2 or divide by 2, same thing, divide by 2, so I get 16. Okay? Okay, so once I find this is 16, then I'm going to substitute all this in here. So I get 16 minus 12, I get 16 minus 8, and 16 minus 12, and then I have the 16. Okay? And I'm going to simplify one step, so this will give me a 4, this will give me an 8, and this will give me a 4, and this is 16. Okay, then after that, you can use calculator to work it out. Okay, so let's go 4 times 8 times 4 times 16, push equal, then you take the square root of that. So second function over here to use the square root of the answer I got from before, and push equal. So K equal to 45.2548. And again, you want 3 significant digits, so you have to round this up. So K equal to 45.3. Okay. Okay, next one. Okay, so you can get your information together. Okay, so small c is 15, small b equal to 22, angle A equal to 150 degrees. Okay, so this is 2 sides and 1 angle. Okay, so 2 sides and 1 angle, you have to use this form, and the angle you get is A, so you have to use this one here. Okay. So again, 2 sides, 1 angle, and the angle you have is A, so you have to use this version. So let's go and write that formula. So K equal to 1/2 BC sine of A. Okay? Okay, substitute everything. So you got 1/2, B is 22, C is 15, times sine of 150 degrees. Okay, so let's go and put in all the numbers. So 1/2 times 22 times 15 times sine of 150 degrees equal, so got 82.5, and this one is exact, so you don't have to round off, you don't have to simplify, and that's the exact answer, so that's kind of nice. Okay. Okay. Okay, number 9, we get back to it. It says, find the area of the parallelogram. Okay, so that's a parallelogram. That has a 45-degree angle, so you got 2 different angles, right? So 45 obviously has to be this one, right? So you got 45 degrees side with a length of 10 and 18. So with a length of 10 and 18. Now, so far we learned about how to find the area of a triangle, okay? So in this case, this is not a triangle, but a parallelogram, when you draw this, you will divide into 2 congruent triangles. So if we use the formula we have before to get this area, then we can times by 2 to find the whole thing, right? So again, parallelogram is just 2 triangles together, okay? And so what we're going to do is we're going to label side, okay? So I'm going to call this A, B, and C. Okay, so that means this would be a small c, and this will equal to small b. Okay? Okay, so again, if you use your information, if you have A, B, C, A, B, C, right? So angle A is 45 degrees, and the B is 10, C is 18. So again, this is two sides and one angle. So there's two sides and one angle, and with angle A, so you have to use this formula. Okay, so this is the formula you need to use. Okay, so let's go and write down K equal to 1/2 BC sine of A. Okay, but we're going to differentiate. So we're going to call this the area. So K is the area. So I'm going to put a little symbol. So I know that this area is only for one triangle only. Okay, and so the parallelogram will be just two times that. So 2 times that, the 2 and the 1/2 will cancel out, and so equal to BC sine of A, right? Again, you times this by 2, right? So you times this by 2. So 2 times triangle will give you the parallelogram. 2 times 1/2 will give you 1, so it cancels out. Okay. So again, from here to here, I just multiply by 2 to get rid of that. So it come out really nice. Okay. Okay. So the area of the parallelogram will equal to 10 times 18 times sine of 45 degrees. So the area of the parallelogram equal to, so the 10 times 18 times sine of 45 degrees. Okay, push equal. So I got 127.279. And again, if you go 3 significant digits, okay, it will give you come out to, so it comes to just 127. Okay, so the area of the parallelogram will equal to 127. Okay. Okay, so that's it.